Hi friends, today I'm going to explain if-else statement in Python. Okay, so I'm going to explain what is the structure of if-else in Python and how to write the if-else program in Python. Okay, so I'm opening the notepad first. Okay, open the notepad. So what is the structure of if-else in Python means? So general if-else condition is if any condition, and here in Python the if-else condition will end with semicolon, and next if this condition is true then print something. Okay, it should be in the single quotations, and if this condition is false then print this one in the else statement. So else should be printed with semicolon, and you need to print this condition. If this condition is false then print whatever is there in the else statement. If this condition is true, print whatever is there in this if condition statement. Okay, and always remember in Python indentation is very important. So here if below that you need to enter else, so this you need to follow indentation. So print something. Okay, so and it should close with single quotes. So this is the structure of if-else condition in Python. So if this condition is true, print these statements, else if this condition is false, print this statement. Okay, so now I'm going to write one program. So see here, I'm going to see I'm entering the print statement. I'm saying this is a wait program. Okay, and next if I'm saying if weight is less than 80, and you need to give this one. So we need to declare this, we need to close this bracket. Okay, print statement here, and next we need to declare this variable weight. So weight equal to, so I'm saying integer, and next I'm taking the input from the user. Input again square bracket and quotations, please enter your weight. Okay, I'm closing this one, I'm closing this bracket, I'm closing this one also. So here in Python we are not giving any semicolon at the end of the instruction, that is statement. So see here, this is the first condition. I'm declaring the variable weight here. So I'm taking the input from the user, and if weight is less than 80, then I will say it as print he is selected for the interview. Okay, next else you need to keep colon, and next print he is not eligible for interview. So here I need to keep here, I need to close this bracket also here in print this statement. So I need to close this bracket. If it doesn't close, it will give you the error. So now see here, I'm closing this. Okay, so this is the if-else program of the Python. So once again I'm explaining. See here, print wait program, and just it will print the output like wait program, and I'm giving the I'm taking the input from the user, that is we need to enter the weight equal to int. Int means here we are entering the string, so it will convert the string into integer. So that's why I'm giving it as int, and input I'm taking from the user. If weight is less than 80, then print he is selected for the interview. If weight is not less than 80, else print he is not eligible for the interview. So this is the if-else program of Python. So I need to save this file. Click on save as, and here you need to enter the, you can give any name. So I'm saying it as weight dot. Okay, so here I need to give it as all files. Okay, so by default in Python you can say it as wait.py. Okay, so click on save. Why? Because all Python files are saved with extensions .py. So I'm saving on the desktop. Okay, click on save. So see here, your file has been successfully saved with .py extension. So now open the cmd command prompt on your system. Okay, open this one. In order to execute this one, you need to have Python installed in your system. Suppose if you know how to check whether Python is installed on your system or not, check python version. See here, Python 3.8.3 has been installed on my system. So now I need to run that program. So what is the program we have created? Wait.py. So now I will go to the directory where we are having that file, that is we are having on the desktop. So in order to execute that file, I will use Python and the program name wait.py. Now it will execute. Now see here, wait program it is printing, and please enter your weight. Suppose I have entered my weight as 16, then it says he is selected for the interview. So see here, when my weight is 60 is less than 80, so then it is printing this statement, he is selected for the interview. So again I will run this program, then I will enter like 100, then it should print this statement, he is not eligible for interview. Now see here, again I'm executing the program. So again it is asking the user input. When I say 100, I should get the message he is not eligible for interview. So that is, it is executing this statement. Whenever 100 I am giving the input as 100, so 100 is less than 80, no, so then it is false. So then it is executing this statement, print he is not eligible for the interview. So in this way if else statement works in the Python. So this is a program of if else statement in Python. Okay, so all of you please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe. Thank you everyone. Bye.